So I found an easiest way to do this with an extension and an application which I built for this purpose, and I got a trick to how exactly you can do the search. Like if you do a Chrome extension, maybe that won't track that rewards into the Microsoft account. So I will tell you exactly how you can do this, how you can automate this. So let's get started. When you search anything in the Microsoft search engine, you can see the URL like this, something different in the URL like form and U523 rather than the search query. So what you have to do is copy this code and go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to create a 20 or what or 20 or 30 URL which how many search you have to do in a day. So ask ChatGPT to generate that URL, like create 20 random URL following the same structure in a single file with separated by comma. So let's see what ChatGPT gives. So ChatGPT generating. So after completing this generation, what you have to do is copy these URLs, and I will provide the extension link in the description. Open this extension and paste it here. So after this, there is an option to how many seconds you want to delay this every searching. So just make it 5 or 3 and click start. So now the page is opening in the background, you can see it. So as this, you can simply open automate the search like this. So provide a command like some unique command or something like tech related or anything, so you can generate the search by automatically. So I will provide the link in the description of this extension. Okay, for the same way, I have created an application for mobile which I built for only for this purpose. As you can see, you can try this in on mobile. So while you're trying on that mobile phone, you have to open that application in the pop-up mode, so which it will work background. So if you close that app, it won't work. Open that app in pop-up mode and paste the URL in the input box and click start. It will open that URL. If you want to stop that, you have to close that application. So I will provide that link in description also for download that application. So that's all. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button. Thank you.